the Sideways Detector Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to identify and draw the range areas within the market. The Sideways Detector Indicator identifies the third market condition, which is the range market, from the three market states: uptrend, downtrend, and range market, and displays it on the chart by drawing a box. Traders can enter a buy or sell trade in the direction of the box breakout, or identify the market's movement direction. In the Settings section, under the Input part, there are options available for us. In the first part, it is about the strictness level of the indicator for identifying areas. The higher the number, the more it finds areas with fewer shadows that are within the range. The next option pertains to the minimum number of candles that can form an area. The third option is related to setting the tolerance amount, which is based on points. This tolerance is calculated from the high value of the first candle that starts the range and is added to it. In the next section, we can change the color of the areas to our desired color. In the following part, it specifies the number of areas displayed on the chart. If we set this option to 0, it will display all the areas. And if we set it to a number other than 0, it will specify the range areas for us by that amount. In the last section, we can also determine the number of candles for identifying and calculating the range on the chart, which is set to 500 candles by default. Here, I just set the number to 5 and set the tolerance to 50, and then I click on the Confirm option. Here you can see the different ranges that the indicator has identified and displayed on the chart. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.